bar, I'm in charge of this remix. I'm about to suck up on that nigga penis. Give me his son, just like we in Phoenix. Play with his balls like I'm Gilbert Arenas. Yeah, I in that Tonka. He tastes like chocolate. It's that Willy Wonka. I whip out my dick, it look like a monster. 80 foot long, BBC Anaconda. His butt got me rousey. Ain't talking about Ronda. Like a Honda. Get it on tape and send it to his mama. He big and black, kinda look like Obama. We ain't staying safe, we be fucking no condom. Booty so tight, man, that is not a problem. If I need dick, man, I'm always gonna call him. And I'm not talking about COVID when I say I whip out my dick and I swab him.
Laser Porter 96.
Gift box.
Air horn not 56.
Stop sign 100.
Let's go back.
Wait, how much money do you have in here?
Like 150.
I got 100. Yeah, we're good. As soon as you get there, leave.
Yep.
Right behind you, only got 21 pounds.
I have 0.
He tastes like chocolate. It's that Willy Wonka. I whip out my dick and it look like a monster.
Yeah, I'm good to go. Just pull the lever.
Leave? Okay, cool.
His butt got me rousey and talking about Ronda. Hop on his dick and I ride like a Honda. Get it on tape and send it to
Left.
his mama. He big and black, kinda look like a Honda. We ain't staying safe, we be fucking no condom. Booty so tight, man, it's not a problem. If I need dick, man, I'm always gonna call him. And I'm not talking about COVID when I say I whip out my
Alright, I'll take all the stuff and you pull the lever, okay?
Alright.
Set this up on the ground.
Let me wait till we get the screen. Set this up this here.
Yeah.
I met that boy in the club, he a dancer. I better suck on his dick. I put the guy in his rim. Yeah. He said that big booty right on my cock, that BBC right on my chin. I'm finna jerk him until he starts spraying. He bust on my chin.
Alright, there you go.
Sit here and pull
I
the
rock
lever.
with the dick, not vagina, the finest of
put it in
penis. I
the
love me
belt.
some men.
Alright, tell me when to pull.
As soon as you can, just pull, because it takes
Okay.
a while.
Alright, sure.
Like a monster, 80 foot long, BBC Anaconda. His butt got me rousey, ain't talking about Ronda. Hop on his dick and I ride like a Honda. Get it on tape and send it to his mama. He big and black, kinda look like Obama. We ain't staying safe, we be fucking no condom. Booty so tight, man, that is not a problem. If I need dick, man, I'm always gonna call.
Alright,
and
hold.
I'm not talking about COVID when I say I whip
Okay.
out my dick and I swab.
Holy freaking crap. This is
Please meet Quota. Please.
If we meet Quota, this is actually insane.
I met that boy in the club, he a dancer.
Might be world record.
I don't know, man.
He said that big booty right on my cock, that BBC.
Wait, we made it.
I'm finna jerk him until he starts spraying.
World record 222.
Let's go! Easy.
Crap, let's go.
Too easy.
That's 5 seconds past the best world record.